taco review time. So still in search of the best taco out there. That's what we do. We're just gonna go ahead and we sell two things. We sell taco experiences and we sell mortgages. This one is going to be Chipotle Grill. Now I know what you're gonna say. You're probably like, Omar, what are you talking about? What are you doing? What in God's green earth do you think that Chipotle is? Chipotle is not a Mexican food type of place. It's so American. I don't care. Okay, listen, Chipotle is Chipotle. But there's one thing I never understood. I never understood why they call themselves Chipotle. What is inside? Like, none of their hot sauces have Chipotle in it. None of that little corn salsa thing that they have doesn't have any Chipotle in it. What is actually Chipotle in Chipotle? Whatever. So everybody knows we have one taco. The rules are 3 bites. Which this is Chipotle. So Chipotle, you know, they do have that hot sauce. Now they have these two hot sauces, right? They have the first one, which is like this really mild greenish salsa verde type of thing, and then they have the super spicy red one. Of course, we don't wuss out on things. Now, there is a rule. I do have a rule. You're automatically going to get deducted if you put lettuce on the taco. Now, whenever I go to any place, I'm not going to get a specific taco, okay? Typically, we do carne asada tacos because that's just what everybody always gives me. But you go in there, and I ask the young lady behind the counter, listen, you make the taco just the way that you want. Now, college, she's a college student. This is how college kids eat it. You got the little bit of cheese on here. Of course, that shredded white cheese. I'm not a big cheese fan on tacos, but you know, the queso tacos are pretty bomb. Lettuce, they put the guacamole, sour cream, and beans and white rice with that Chipotle. I mean, on a hard shell. I've never ever had a taco at Chipotle ever in my entire life. But 3 bites, let's go ahead and get into this one, see what it's working with, see how she's all dialed in. I'm going to tell you right now, this is for $4.80. This is a really hefty. This thing is like legit, like maybe a half a pound taco. This is huge. But let's get on to this bite. Oh my God, I'm going to make a big mess of it. Look at it. I'm an animal. I'm a savage. I'm disgusting. Oh my God. Hey, you know what? I'm not gonna be mad at that at all. I don't know if it's maybe because I'm hungry, but this is all right. Let's see if the hot sauce makes it any better. I mean, am I losing my touch? Listen, typically I would also be outside, okay? But we're in the valley right now in a city called Porter Ranch, California. Chipotle Grill and whatever. I'll put the link of the where it's at right below here. But it is like the windiest place in the earth. You think Chicago is bad? Forget about it. This place is like, I couldn't do anything. Like, I'm getting blown around. I'm like 180 pounds, 6 feet tall, and I was getting tossed around like some sort of jerk. It's falling apart, but I am going to dunk that Sonicer right there. Look at that. Now that's a thumbnail. Now it's spitting itself all over itself. Listen, I stand corrected. I've been wrong many of times. My rules are always, if there's, I gotta clean my mouth. I'm so sorry for licking my fingers. That's disgusting. It's very bad manners. But am I hungry or is this really awesome? I'm gonna give this taco a 6.9. 6.9 on this taco. The tortilla is really nice and crunchy. That red salsa is super spicy. It's not like a chili. It's like a back burn, like a dry chili type of spice that it has going on. The guacamole is awesome. I mean, they're known for their guacamole. I don't know what that little corn salsa is that they have in there, but it's like it freshens it up. It's just, man, 6.9 on a taco review. This is what's up. It's windy as hell outside. I'm gonna go knock the rest of this back and enjoy my salad and a tortilla. So, if you want up to 50% commission rebate on your next real estate purchase, 0% listing fee, and for any mortgaging assistance, which mortgaging is what we do mostly, link in the description below. Let me help you out. If you don't want the mortgage, well, enjoy the taco review. Till next video, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully we can get out of here, get outside, do these reviews outside, because it is windy as shit. I hate this place. This place sucks, but the taco is good. Until next video, guys.